Hello students, myself Rekha. Today we will do coordinate geometry exercise 7.2 fourth question. See Baba, what is the question is there? Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points minus 3, 10 and 6, minus 8 and divided by minus 1, 6. See here, find the ratio. What is the question mark? We will find the ratio. So this is the question mark. Now we will find the ratio. So M1 is to M2. This is the question mark. Next, what is there? In which line segment joining the point? One line segment is there. What are the joining the points? See, this point coordinates what is there means minus 3, 10. Next, this point coordinates 6, minus 8. So, this point's minus 3, 10. This is 6, minus 8. Is divided by minus 1, 6. This line is divided into which point? Minus 1, 6. Minus 1, 6. Here we will give one name. Here A be given. So here we will give the P name. So this line segments, this coordinates minus 3, 10. This coordinates 6, minus 8. This line is divided by which coordinates minus 1, 10. So now we will find a ratio. This line, this A to P and P to B, which ratio is there? We have to find. So now you know the section formula. What is the section formula? See here, section. Here we will use the section formula. See here, why we will use the section formula? This coordinates finding, we will use the section formula. So what is the section formula? First I will write this coordinates, P coordinates using, we will use the section formula. See here, section formula means what is there? See here, this P coordinates, what is there? Minus 1, 6. This coordinates you have to finding, we will use the section formula. What is the section formula? M1, short form I will write, see, M1, M2 divided by M1 plus M2. Next, comma, M1, here write M2 divided by M1 plus M2. Now here you write M1 is there, X2 right, here you write X1. Again here you write Y2, here write Y1. This is the section formula. Why we will use the section formula? This coordinates generally here ratio will give and you will ask this coordinates finding, we will use the section formula. So this formula we will use and we will find the ratio. Ratio finding, first we will take what means, let the ratio is K is to 1 ratio. Section formula full detail what means you see in the introduction video. Now see here, next, now we want the ratio M1 is to M2, how much is there? We have to find. Let the ratio be, you have to take K is to 1. K is to 1 taking after, we will use this formula. Which formula? Section formula. Section formula. This P coordinates equal to this formula. So P coordinates is given in the question. So we will take this one. Minus 1, 6. This is the P coordinates. It is equal to formula right here. See here. M1 X2 plus M2 X1 divided by M1 plus M2. Okay, there I explained, no, that is the shortcut, how to keep remember your mark. So afterwards you write here, next year, M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 divided by M1 plus M2. This is the section formula. In this section formula, which values you know you apply means you will get the ratio. See here, M1 means we will take a K. M1 means we will take K. M2 means we will take 1. Next, in this one, what is X1, Y1? See Baba, this is X1, Y1. This is X2, Y2. Now we will apply the values means we will get the answer. See Baba, here minus 1, 6 equal to, M1 means what? K. K into X2 means 6. X2 means 6 plus M2 means 1. Into X1 means minus 3 divided by what is there? M1, M2, K plus 1. Next, apply the values properly. Next, M1 means K into M2 means minus 8 plus M2 means 1 y1 means 10 divided by m1 plus m2. So we will take k plus 1. Now see Baba, minus 1, 6. It is equal to 6 into k, 6k. Plus into minus, minus 3 divided by k plus 1. Now again, plus into minus, minus 8k plus 1 tens are 10 divided by k plus 1. Now observe means again simplification finished. We can't simplify anywhere. Now what to do means, see here this minus 1 is there, no? This answer equal to this one. 6 is there, no? This answer equal to this one. Now see Baba here, minus 1 equal to this one. Next, this 6 is there, no? This 6 is equal to this one. So now we will use this one. See, now see I am taking minus 3 by k plus 1, it is equal to minus 1. Now see here, 6k minus 3 is equal to minus 1. It is a divide, after it's equal to, it's become a into k plus 1. So 6k minus 3 is equal to minus 1k, k minus into plus minus 1. So variable we will take one side, number we will take one side. So 6k, take this side, plus k is equal to minus 1, take that side, it's plus 3. See, 6k plus k, 7k is equal to, this 2 simplified means you will get 2. K is equal to 2 by 7. Down nothing means what, Baba? 1. So k is to 1 is equal to, you will get 2 is to 7 answer. This ratio is 2 is to 7. In the question asking ratio, no, that answer is 2 is to 7. Again, one more thing I will say. See here, this answer equal to, we are taking this answer. Again, chance part is there, this answer equal to, we will take this one. Here see Baba. See here, I am taking minus 8k plus 10 divided by, what is there? K plus 1. It is equal to, what is there? 6. So now we will simplify and see. See, 8 minus 8k plus 10 is equal to 6. It is a divide, after it's equal to, it's becoming into k plus 1. Now see here, minus 8k plus 1 plus 10 is equal to 6 into k, 6k plus 6 1 is 6. Now see here, variable we will take one side, minus 8k, take this side, minus 6k is equal to 6 minus 10. So this 2 simplified means you will get minus 14k is equal to, big number sign minus 6, 10 minus 6, you will get 4. See Baba, this side minus cancel. So here see 14k is equal to 4. K is equal to 4 by 14. So cancel is possible. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. K is equal to 2 by 7. Down nothing means what? 1. So you write here, k is to 1 is equal to 2 is to 7 is the answer. Here you observe Baba, this answer also 2 is to 7. This answer also 2 is to 7. For understanding I explained this too. But exam, you take this one equal to this one, otherwise this one equal to this one. Any one did means okay. So this is the answer. So A coordinates given, B coordinates given. This is divided by this this point also given. We have to find the ratio. So same formula you will use. This one we know. So here write it in formula. You apply the proper limits, you will get the ratio. Okay. Now 5th question. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining A 1 minus 5 and B minus 4 5 is divided by at the x-axis. Also find the coordinates of the point of division. See here. In this one, see here, we will find the ratio. So ratio is the question mark. So what is that? M1 is to M2 is the question mark. Again, what is this? See, ratio is the question mark. See here. Find the ratio in which the line segment AB is one line segment is there, joining A coordinates, what is there? 1 comma minus 5. A coordinates 1 comma minus 5. Next B coordinates, what is there? It is a B coordinates minus 4 5. divided by the x-axis. This line is divided by the x-axis. X-axis means what are the coordinates? See here, any line on the x-axis, what are the coordinates? X0. X-axis, on x-axis you will get one number, and here one more coordinate, what? 0. Otherwise on y-axis is there means it will be 0, 1. X-axis coordinates, on the x-axis coordinates what? X0. And y-axis, on the y-axis coordinates what? 0, 1. So it is telling on the x-axis. See here, x-axis means here it is divided by on the x-axis. What are the coordinates? We will give one name. Here I am giving the p. This coordinates what is there means one number and 0. On the x-axis coordinates what is there means x0. Now see here, on the x-axis also find the coordinates of the points on the division. This division point coordinates we have to find. Already one number you know. One number is what? 0. So we have to find one more, what is there means x value we have to find. This is the question mark. 2 question marks. M1 is to M2 is the question mark. This x is the question mark. Once again I will repeat. See, one line segments is there. A coordinates 1 minus 5. B coordinates minus 4, 5. And this is divided by x-axis. X-axis dividing means it is the coordinates we will think and we will take. What is the coordinates? X0. So this is the 0. This value you know. So this x value we have to find. So here we don't know what the ratio we don't know. So ratio M1 is to M2. So ratio is there means what we will take? Let the ratio be, we will take k is to 1. K is to 1 taking after here which formula is, we will use a section formula. Section formula means this place. So x0 equal to, I will write here, x0. It is equal to, here points we have to find the section formula, this point finding only formula. So this point, what are the coordinates is there? X0 is there. X0 is equal to M1 x2 plus M2 x1 divided by M1 plus M2. Keep in your mind this formula. Big is there but easy only. Next, see M1 y2 plus M2 y1 divided by M1 plus M2. Now you applied the value. First we will apply the values. This is don't keep like this only. X0. Next M1 means this is K is the M1, 1 is the M2. This is M1 M2. Next here what is there? This is X1, this is Y1. This is X2, this is Y2. Apply the values properly. Okay, see. M1 means what? K. K into X2 means what? Minus 4. K into minus 4 plus K into minus 4 plus M2 means what? 1. X1 means what? 1. X1 is the 1. See. M1 means K. X2 means minus 4 plus M2 means 1. X1 means 1. Now see here write K plus 1. K plus 1 comma. Again M1 means what? K. Y2 means 5. Y2 means 5. Plus M2 means 1. Y1 means minus 5. Y K plus 1. See, one more chance is there, we will simplify. See, x comma 0, it is equal to plus into minus, minus 4k plus 1 ones are 1 divided by k plus 1. Next what is there? 5 into k, 5k plus into minus, minus 5 by k plus 1. So now simplify means again no chance to simplify. Here what is the chance is there? K finding chance is there. What is there means? See here this is x is there. So 2 variables happens, it is not possible. So now what we will do? See here this one equal to second equation. So first we will try this equation. 5k, see Baba, 5k minus 5 divided by k plus 1 equal to 0. This one simplify and we will see. See here 5k minus 5 is equal to 0. It is a divide, after is equal to it's become a into k plus 1. So 5k minus 5 is equal to 0 into something, it's become a 0. Okay. So 5k is equal to minus 5 is sent that side, it's a plus 5. K is equal to 5 by 5. Now cancel 5 1 ja 5 1 ja. So here see Baba, k by 1, down nothing is 1 is equal to, what is that? 1 by 1. So how can you write ratio? K is to 1 is equal to, what is the ratio? 1 is to 1 ratio. So first answer you got. First answer what we will find? Ratio we will find. So what is the ratio? 1 is to 1. So this answer you got. M1 is to M2, what is there? 1 is to 1 is there. Next, one answer you got. Which ratio? Ratio you got. M1 is to M2 is equal to 1 is to 1 you got. So here I will write, see, 1 is to 1 is the answer. Next, what is the chances there? See here, this one equal to, we can take this one. See here, this one equal to first equation. I am taking, see, minus 4k plus 1 by k plus 1 is equal to, this is equal to k plus 1. It is equal to, what is that? It is equal to x. So now we will apply. What we know? Already we know the k value. K value how much is there? K value is the 1. So apply minus 4 into k value is the 1 plus 1 divided by k value is the 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to x. See a minus 4 into 1, minus 4 plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to x. These two simplified means you will get minus 3 by 2 is equal to x. So x value is what? Minus 3 by 2. So what are the coordinates of this point means? This is what is there means minus 3 by 2. See. So two answers. Two answers. What are the two answers? M1 is to M2, 1 is to 1. And this coordinates what is there? Minus 3 by 2, 0. So x value what? X value is the, x is equal to minus 3 by 2 is the answer. This is the fifth question. Fourth and fifth. Are you clear? I think. Again you have any doubt also? Comment it. Subscribe my channel.